Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make couscous with pigeon peas. So let's get to the recipe. This is the brand that I'm using. This is the brand that I trust and I've used before. The other ones I'm not so sure, so feel free to venture out. So let's go ahead and get started. I am using, these are the ingredients that I am using: frozen pigeon peas, coconut milk. I will list the measurements in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Bay leaves, of course, always. And of course, this is the couscous. It looks so good. It's one of my favorite. It's so light. It's sometimes, if you're tired of rice, it's a great option. So be sure to give it a try, and let me know. In your hot pot, go ahead and add oil. I am using olive oil. Feel free to use vegetable oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, whatever oil that you like. It doesn't really matter. I'm adding my epis to my hot oil. Make sure it's a little bit hotter than that. So if you don't know how to make epis, I will link the recipe of my epis in the description box. Make sure you check it out. Sometimes I really can't speak, y'all. Anyways, let your epis get a little toasty for a few minutes, like this, like 3 minutes. And now go ahead and add your frozen peas. I am using frozen pigeon peas. If you want to use the canned one, feel free to do so, but I suggest the frozen one better. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the coconut milk. Let the peas fry in the epis for 2 minutes before you add the coconut milk. And now we're gonna go ahead and add the dry seasoning. If you don't want to use Maggi, feel free to use all-purpose chicken seasoning. I didn't have any, that's why I used that. And also a tablespoon of goya adobo and some scotch bonnet pepper for some spice. Skip it if you don't like spicy. Fresh thyme, of course, and bay leaves always. I didn't know couscous before when I was back in Haiti. Now go ahead and add the water. 3 cups of water. 2 cups of water. I found out about couscous when I used to work at the grocery store. It's a Portuguese thing and Cape Verdean thing. So yeah, and I actually really like couscous. So this is what I'm using. It's 2 cups and a half. The whole bag is 2 cups and a half. The thing with couscous, it cooks really fast, like super fast. You could just boil the water and pour it over it and then just cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes off the heat, and then it will be cooked. Like it cooks so fast, super easy. So once the water is boiled, we're gonna go ahead and add our couscous. You don't rinse the couscous. It's all set. It's just like I don't know, whatever, but you don't rinse it. So go ahead and pour it in there. So you'll notice once you add the couscous, it soaks up the water really fast. Soaks up the liquid super fast. So go ahead and stir it and turn off your heat. After you add the couscous, turn off your heat, cover it up, and it will be cooked in 10 minutes. You don't leave it, you can leave it on the stove, but make sure it's turned off. And cover it up and then let it cook. It cooks so fast. It's such an easy dish and it's so delicious. It's so fluffy, it's so light. Sometimes if you're tired of rice, give this a try. I paired this with turkey stew that I made. It's really delicious, honestly. I cannot wait to make a couscous salad for you guys. I love it so much, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more. And yeah, share it with a friend. It's like, let me tell you, I'm not even joking, it's so amazing. Give it a try if you want, and also subscribe. If you've been here more than once, more than twice, more than 3 times, you should probably subscribe by now, because you obviously like my channel and you want to know whenever I post a new recipe. So hit the bell button for notifications and give this video a try, recipe a try, I meant, excuse me. As always, guys, thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Well, I won't see you, but you will hear from me soon in the next video.